Do you want to start a recession proof side hustle that is sustainable? Hey, friends, welcome back to the Wealth Legacy Movement. In this training, I'm going to be sharing with you two recession proof side hustle that you can start with no money. So you have no excuse not to get started today. And these two side hustles that I'm going to be sharing with you, you can actually start doing them today. All right. So let's jump right into it. Before I do that, though, remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel to help us to reach more people because we're on a mission to help more individuals to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start to live a happier, more fulfilling, and a financially free life. We do this by sharing with you business startup tips, ideas, resources, and different business startup strategies that you can use to get your business up and running. All right. So let's jump right into it. So, like I've said, I'm going to be sharing with you two recession proof online businesses that you can start today. You need no money to start. And the platforms that I'm going to be sharing with you where you can start these businesses, you can start with a free account. And these businesses are email marketing and affiliate marketing, right? So let me just share a little bit about email marketing first. Email marketing is one of those old business model where you need nothing to start. All you need to do is to find a platform where you can actually connect with your potential subscribers, your potential target audience, and to set up your opt-in page or your squeeze page or your freebie funnel where you can give something for free and then you allow other people to opt in. You give them the freebie and you get their email address. And what this does, it allows you to build that know, like, and trust factors where it is so important to do this because this is how you're going to be building a warm audience. Because when you have a warm audience, people will buy from you faster because they already know you, they already trust you, right? And so you'll already be giving them free content that they find value in. And therefore, if you were to charge them for content, they will buy it from you because they've already seen and know the kind of content that you are giving them for free, right? So to set up your email marketing business, like I said, the first thing that you need to do is to find a platform where you can not only create a freebie or an opt-in page or a squeeze page or a freebie funnel, but that platform you should be able to send ongoing email to your subscribers. You should be able to send at least one email to them per week, right? And apart from sending them one email per week, you should be marketing items, different products and services to them. And this is where the second recession proof business comes in, and that is the affiliate marketing. But I'm going to be sharing a little bit more on that a little bit later. But let me just continue with the email marketing. The platform that I'm going to be sharing with you, you'll be able to not only set up your opt-in page or your squeeze page or your freebie funnel, but you'll be able to send ongoing email and other marketing campaign to the subscribers, those persons you have on your list. You'll be able to send marketing campaign to them and selling other people's product. And when you start creating your own products and services, you'll be able to market to these people because they are now your warm audience. All right. So the platform that I'm going to be sharing with you, there's a link in the description where you can sign up for free on the systeme.io platform, and it allows you to do so many different things for free. But like I said, you're going to be outgrowing the free version of it. And soon, once you start making money, then you can upgrade to the paid version of the software. Right. So once you've created your opt-in page and persons opt in, like I said, you must set it up in a way where people will be able to get the free content that you've promised them, and then you will have access to their email address. And don't find the excuse that, you know what, I don't know how to create freebie, or I'm just not capable of doing this, I'm not the expert. There are so many different freebie that you can come up with. You can do an ebook, you can do a cheat sheet, you can do a PDF, like so many different things. And I'm also going to be dropping some freebies that you can actually take just a couple of hours, 1 hour, 2 hours to get created. I'm going to be dropping that link that you can use to look at the different freebies, 10 freebies. It is going to be called 10 freebie ideas that you can create. So I'm going to be dropping that link. It's free, so you have no excuse. But let's say you don't have the time to create the freebie. To set up that funnel, what you can say to people, you know what, opt in to my newsletter, and you make sure that the heading or the title is nice, intriguing, captivating, so people, once they look at it, they will opt into it. So that's another way of doing it. But I am suggesting to you that make sure that you do get a freebie created, so you can give them something of value and entice them to opt in, so you can have their email addresses to start sending free content to them. And not only free content, but valuable free content. All right. Again, those links will be in the description. The next thing is to set up your email campaign. I've touched a little bit on that with you before. Like I said to you, you must set up your freebie funnel where you get their email addresses and you give them something for free, and that something for free must be valuable. All right. So once you have them on your email list, you are not only building your email list, but you'll be able to now create email campaign where you are building the know, like, and trust factors. So let's say you have persons opted in to your funnel. What you can start doing now, say you set up like 3 to 5 or even 7 emails to automatically go out to these people. So let's say somebody opts in today and they get that initial email just thanking them for opting in, and to get the freebie that you promised them. You also give them the freebie link in that initial email if they did not get a pop-up with the freebie that you promised them. In a day or two, you could send a second email, and that's a second email in the email campaign. And all you're saying to them, hey, I sent you this freebie. How do you like it? And you just ask them to provide feedback, or just ask them if they've not gone through the freebie yet. Here's the link, because I know you could say to them, I know you're busy, but here's the link again to access the freebie. And you send a couple of emails like that in the email campaign. And so what you're doing is building the know, like, and trust factors. And like I said to you before, when you do this and you have a paid product or service, they'll buy from you because they see the value that you already are giving them, right? And once you set up this initial email campaign, let's say 3, 5, or 7, don't just stop there. Start sending them at least one email per week. At least one email per week, and just check in with them to see what they're up to, or just give them more value in that email. Also, make sure that you send a marketing email to them, right? When you send that email to them once per week, you should also mix it up. Send marketing email. This is how the affiliate marketing comes in. So when you're given the free content like on a regular basis, then you're going to sign up to one of those platforms that offer products and services where you can be affiliate for them. So basically, you're selling products and services and you don't even create them, right? You sell it and you get a commission. And this is how you get started. So when you are sending out the marketing email, you just drop a link in the marketing email, and but make sure that the product or services that you're offering to them, it is relevant to the people that you're serving, your target audience. It must be relevant to them, right? And you drop the link in the marketing email, and all it does is once they click on the link and they buy, you get a commission from that sale. And you can do that as often as possible because you know your target audience, you know your subscribers, you know your people. And so do that as often as possible. And hopefully they buy from you. But I hasten to say that don't just sell other people's product. It's okay to sell other people's product, but you're going to find a way to come up with your own products, because this is where you can earn even more money when you're selling your own products. Plus, you're being affiliate for other person's product and services, and so you have access to not only your own product but other people's products and services as well. All right, so I hope you've gotten some value. I've shared with you a couple of things. I've shared with you how you are to create your opt-in page or your squeeze page or your freebie funnel, how you're to set it up so somebody opts in to get your freebie and you get their email addresses. And now you start building the know, like, and trust factors by start sending them regular email with valuable content, because this is how you're going to build that relationship, that lasting relationship with your subscribers, so that when you have a product to sell to them, they will buy from you because they already know who you are. They already know the kind of offerings that you have. And even though it's free, they would have known what those are. And then once you start selling them something, they will have no problem in buying from you. Also share with you that once people opt in on your list and you start building, you should set up your email campaign. You send out an initial email to them thanking them for opting in and all of that with the freebie that you've promised them, and you give them, like, every other day you give them an email. Like I said, probably on the second day you send them another one. But in your initial email campaign, you should have like 3, 5, or 7, right? It depends on the audience. You know your audience. And so you have to give them what they want, right? But make sure that in that initial email campaign, you have a couple of emails to send to them, because you don't want them to just opt in and that's it. You forget about them, because you're not going to be building the know, like, and trust factors when you do this. All right. So that is important. I also shared with you that if you're not able to come up with the freebie that you're going to be giving them, I'm going to be dropping a link to a free piece of content. And this is the 10 freebie ideas that you can read, get more ideas from, and create your own freebie. All right. So apart from that, I'm also going to be dropping the link to the free platform where you're going to be communicating. You're going to start building that relationship with your subscribers or your audience. And that platform also helps you to build your business. It's an all-in-one business automation platform or software which allows you to build your business without having to buy these different software that are so expensive. All right, so it's all in one. You can do your email marketing, you can create your opt-in page, your sales funnel, and different things. You can create your blogs and so many different things that you can do on this platform. The link will be in the description. All right. So I hope you've gotten some value. But if you need some more help in getting your first $1,000 online, I'm going to be dropping the link to this course that you can grab. You can grab it now and to get some quick strategies on how to earn your first $1,000 online, right? If you got value from this training, make sure that you drop it in the chat, drop some emojis or just something to show me that you have gotten value from this training. Also, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our channel, because this is how the algorithm works here on YouTube. You have to like, comment, and engage with us for YouTube to push our videos out to more people. Like I said, we're on a mission to help so many more persons stop living paycheck to paycheck and start living a happier, more fulfilling, and a financially free life. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Much blessing, friends.